Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a new Gmail account step by step clearly. First, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox on your phone or computer. Go to Accounts, Google.com and wait for the Google sign-in page to load. Click the Create Account option and choose for myself if you are creating a personal email. In the first name field, type your first name exactly the way you want it to appear. In the last name field, type your last name or leave it blank if you prefer. Click Next to continue to the Basic Information section. Select your birth month, day, and year from the drop-downs or type them in. Choose your gender from the list, or select Rather Not Say if you want. Click Next to move to the Gmail address setup. In the username field, type the email name you want, like your name 2026. If the username is taken, try adding numbers, dots, or a short keyword until it is available. Click Next to set your password. Create a strong password with a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Type the same password again in the Confirm field to avoid mistakes. Click Next to proceed to account recovery options. Add a phone number if you want extra security and easier recovery if you forget your password. If you enter a phone number, Google may send a verification code by SMS. Type the verification code exactly as you received it, then confirm to continue. Add a recovery email address if you have one, so you can reset your password later. Review your phone number and recovery email on the screen to make sure they are correct. Click Next to open the Privacy and Terms page. Read the main points about how Google uses data and how your account works. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to enable the Accept buttons. Choose any personalization options shown, such as web activity settings, if you want. Click I agree to accept the terms and create your new Gmail account. Wait a few seconds while Google finishes setting up your inbox. When Gmail opens, click Compose to confirm you can send an email successfully. Optionally, go to Settings to add a profile picture, signature, and display name. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.